Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instructions sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 3 of the 3 steps is on the analysis of the results of the data entered. Example item 3.1.05 Cost Workup Sheet Overview. The purpose of the cost workup sheets is to accumulate every piece of material and every labor process of a component or part. The components are combined on the project cost summary sheet. The rationale is that evaluating the entire scope of a component provides better perception of the accuracy of the estimated cost. In other words, unreasonable amounts are more apparent when placed in the complete list of items that make up the cost. Following along the same reasoning, the entire application also has a macro structure or layout. Unless a specific report or calculation have different requirements, vertically materials are itemized above labor, and left to right materials are listed before labor. Within materials, there is a layout that prevails on all cost workup sheets in the 3 tables: detail, category, and summary. Example: primary fabrication materials precede finishing materials. However, the sequence followed within the primary materials is the sequence followed in the finished materials items. The same layout applies to labor processes. For example, machining is before bench work, which is before finishing on cost workup sheets. On the table's definitions abbreviation sheet, topic 17 is a table that demonstrates the categories of materials and labor. The pattern in topic 17 diagram applies to all cost workup sheets. To the extent appropriate and possible, other sheets will contain layouts consistent with the diagram. This example 3.1.05 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 3.1.06.